So this is chapter 5, Inequalities, class 9. So the basic theorem of this chapter is the arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean. For two numbers, the arithmetic mean is a plus b divided by 2, and the geometric mean for the two numbers such as a and b is root over ab. So this needs to be proved. So we can prove it like this. To prove a plus b by 2 greater than root over ab. Now a minus b whole square greater than 0. So any square term cannot be negative. So that means it is greater than 0. So now we'll put the formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab greater than 0. Now if we change the side of minus 2ab, it will turn to be positive 2ab. Now we'll add 2ab on both sides. So 2ab plus 2ab becomes 4ab. Now this becomes the formula of a plus b whole thing square, and this remains to be 4ab. Now we'll take root over on both sides. Now as we know, a square cancels the root over. A square cancels the root over, so it becomes a plus b greater than, now root over 4ab. Now we can write it as 2 root ab, because root over 4 is, the value of root over 4 is 2. Now if we change the side of 2, as it is multiplied here, it will come as divided in the opposite side. So it is proved. But if you find this method very hard to remember, we have an alternative method. As I have mentioned here, a square term cannot be negative, so it is greater than 0. So we can consider root over a minus root over b whole square greater than 0. So root over a whole square, following the formula of a minus b whole square, root over b whole square minus 2 root ab greater than 0. Root over a whole square, as I mentioned earlier, a square cancels the root over, so it becomes a plus b. Now if we change the side of minus 2 root ab, so it becomes positive 2 root ab. Sorry for the inconvenience, because the copies were getting lowered. A plus b greater than positive 2 root ab. Now if we change the side, similarly there it was multiplied, here it is also multiplied, so it will come as divided here, and it is proved. So this method is really very simple, but this is hard to remember. So this sums needs to be done by any of these methods. Thank you.